Hello and welcome to another Intuitive Programming and Database tutorial. In this tutorial, as I told you in the last tutorial, we're going to be learning how to pass multiple parameters, more than two parameters, from one subprocedure to another, and then be able to perform some computation. So for that very purpose, we're going to be now creating a subprocedure. This is going to help us sum up all the students from all the campuses and all the centers and display the sum back to the user. So we're going to call this one sum studs. Since we have 5 separate variables to receive this information from, therefore we're going to be declaring 5 sets of parameters. So C1, C2, C3, and C4. So we have 4 sets of parameters, 1 for each one of the centers and campuses. Apologize, I said 5. 4 values will going to be passed over from the main into the body of sum studs, and all the 4 counts will going to be passed over. Now, since we have E2, E3, E4, E5, because the E count is basically for the employees, so that's why we need the last 4 to be passed over to sum. So what sum we're going to be doing is, we're going to have a local variable called sum, which will be only local to this particular subprocedure called sum studs. You're going to sum up all these values together, all 4 counts of students, and we're going to display this to the user. Sum of all students from all campuses and all centers. Now all we need to do is pass from the main to sum studs 5 sets of values, which are eCount2, eCount3, eCount4, and eCount5. And as you can see, another example where the names of the parameters do not need to match. However, their data types must always match. So let's try to run this example. And you're going to see very similar to what you saw earlier on, employee count, then number of employees in Kenosha campus, number of employees in Racine campus, number of employees at Lakeview Academy, number of students at Horizon Center. So we entered the employee count, the number of students at Kenosha campus, the number of students in Racine campus, the number of students in Lakeview Academy, and the number of students in Horizon Center. And as we hit enter, it tells us the number of student counts, the number of by campuses, by centers, and all the way to the bottom it says that sum of all students from all campuses and all centers comes out to this value. So pretty much this program goes about accepting input from user, passing on to the respective modules or subprocedures, where we learn how to pass 1 parameter, 2 parameters, and more than 2 parameters. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.